A possible UFO and portal has been photographed over the town of Tegus, in the Canary Islands. The images, which were posted to my Facebook page, and have been reported to the Mutual UFO Network, appear to show a disc-shaped UFO, hovering near the St. Francis Convent. The object, allegedly appeared from an opening in the cloud, here. The object then proceeded to release a much smaller craft, which then moved away from the main object, and headed west toward the town center. As the witness was observing the smaller craft, the larger UFO mysteriously disappeared, possibly back into the cloud, or portal. It's also possible that the photographer captured an alien life form in one of the images. In this enhanced image, we can see a possible figure here. It would appear, judging by these extraordinary images, that a highly advanced extraterrestrial species are utilizing wormholes or portals to observe planet Earth. It's also possible that this extraterrestrial species are actually from another dimension, possibly using an advanced exotic technology to break through the bars of their own reality and enter other physical dimensions. If these other dimensions exist, and the evidence appears to indicate that they do, then we can only hope that these multi-dimensional visitors are not hostile invaders, but are actually emissaries of peace and light.